What you doing, Mama?
It is time for Disney Doorables Christmas Spectacular.
Christmas in July spectacular.
Yes, Christmas in
Yes.
July.
Christmas in July spectacular.
What she said.
Yes.
So, we have a darling little Disney Doorable holiday advent, not really advent because there's only 5, countdown to Christmas package, and the Christmas Peak collection for Mickey's Christmas Carol.
Yes. So we will be doing this over the course of 5 days,
Yes.
1 door per day. And we'll be doing this. Do you want to do one of these each day, Mom?
Sure.
So we'll do one of these each day for a total of 8 days. So we'll do one in each. That way we are spreading the Christmas in July spectacular joy out for all of you as long as possible.
Christmas in July.
And now y'all know where I get from.
Let's begin.
Yes. All right, Mama, you ready to open door 1?
Door number 1. Let's see what is in behind door number 1. Oh, so this is actually from the series 5.
And we don't have any
collection.
series 5 at all.
We do not. And I'm going to pull out the
Paper.
paper. So please hold.
All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I am guessing one of the cats from the Aristocats.
Everybody
So
wants to be
let's
a
find
cat.
out. Everybody wants to be a cat. Oh, I am completely wrong. Oh, this.
It's Lucifer!
No,
That's not Lucifer.
No, because Lucifer has a frown.
That is one of the cats.
It is. Oh my gosh, it is one of the cats. That is
Berlioz.
Berlioz, yes, or Berlioz.
A cutie kitty.
A very cute little gray kitty. I thought that cat is too sweet looking to be Lucifer.
Yes.
So that is happy first day Christmas in July.
Yes. And now we are going to get started on the Mickey's Christmas Carol. This could have a bonus figure. Will we finally get a bonus figure?
I'm hoping, but
Yes.
we haven't had
So we're gonna
luck yet.
Open the door. Please hold. All right, Mom, pick a door to open. We've only got 8, but some people say that there's actually the extra one just hiding behind one of the doors.
Let's save that one then till the end because it's a bigger door. So
Yeah.
let's go with this one. And
Here's all the characters she can get. Let's see what's inside.
I'm mutilating this. Okay.
Good job, Mom. Destruction at its finest.
I'm going to guess.
All right, please hold while she guesses. All right, Mama, who is it?
I believe this is Morty Tiny Tim.
Are you right?
Oh, it's not. Oh my gosh. It is Mickey Mouse Bob Cratchit. I totally goofed with his little top hat.
Very, very
Who
cute.
doesn't love Bob
So
Cratchit?
this
Mr. Kind.
Concludes day 1 of our Doorables Christmas in July.
Spectacular.
And we shall be back tomorrow with more Doorables.
Bye.
Bye, lady.